Okay, so you want to start meditating, but you're not really sure what the steps are, what's involved, and what the benefits of meditation actually are. So this episode is definitely for you, and I can't wait to go through all this good stuff with you today. Before I do though, I just want to tell you a little bit about Today Dreamer. This channel is all about helping you cultivate a life of personal growth where you're actively looking to improve yourself every single day so that you can craft your own reality and move towards the person that you need to be to achieve your goals in this life. If that's something that you might be into, please hit that subscribe button and click the little notification so you don't miss any of the episodes coming your way. So let's get into meditation. So the benefits of meditation are crazy and they've been scientifically proven. So meditation has been proven to reduce stress levels, helps you deal with anxiety, helps you become more emotionally balanced, and it really helps you have a calmer mind and focus in on shit that you need to get done, really. It helps you calm down and really just live and feel the present moment. So it comes with a whole host of other benefits. I mean, it's been proven to lower blood pressure and heaps of other good stuff. So the top people in the world regularly meditate, and some of them even say that meditation is the one habit that they've cultivated that's been the most important in their growth over the years. So it's a really important thing to practice, and I'm so excited that you're giving it a shot with me here today. So how do we actually meditate? What do we have to do, and how do we get started? Well, the first thing you need to do is set up your environment. So you don't need the absolute perfect environment to meditate in general, but when you're getting started, try to find a quiet place where you can really have some private time to yourself. Because after all, meditation is all about having some time with yourself and feeling connected with yourself and this universe and this beautiful planet that we live on. So find a quiet space. Could be a bedroom, it could be in your backyard, somewhere where you're not going to get interrupted. Put your phone on airplane mode or silent mode, or just take it out of the room so you don't get distracted by social media or phone calls or anything like that. Put some comfortable gear on, so you want to be wearing clothing that you're not going to really feel uncomfortable in when you're sitting in this clothing for a long period of time. And just kind of find somewhere that you can sit comfortably. Now, in regards to the sitting position, don't stress about being a Zen master and getting into the lotus position. That's one of the most popular positions for meditation. It's quite hard and you can actually really injure yourself if you don't know what you're doing. So just to start, don't worry about lotus or half lotus or any of that kind of thing. Just sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. The reason I don't want you lying down at the start is because it's pretty easy to drift off to sleep, especially in the beginning. So let's start with a seated position. The next thing you want to do is close your eyes. Now, you don't need to close your eyes forever, but when you're beginning, it really, really does help. Close your eyes, and the way your mind works is it's a really, the Buddhists call it the monkey mind. It's a really active mind that kind of darts off in different directions, and you follow your thoughts, and you never really get a chance to just calm it down and just chill. And that's what you want to try to do when you meditate. So you'll notice these thoughts coming into your mind, and your job will just be to recognize the thoughts and try concentrating just on your breath. So you breathe in, you breathe out, you concentrate on the feeling of the cool air coming in and the warm air going out and how it makes your body feel. And hold your focus on the breath. Now, in the beginning, it's going to be quite tough. You'll feel like you're paddling out onto the ocean and the waves are coming and pushing you back to the shore. But sooner or later, you'll reach the calm part. And that's where you really need to concentrate on your breath, and just, if you're not quite there yet, just realize that it will come, it will become calm, your mind will settle down, but you do need to get through those first little waves first, those thoughts. So you'll find yourself following thoughts along, and kind of, you'll go off on little tangents in your mind, but just bring yourself back to the breath when this happens, and remember that you're not doing anything wrong. That's just a normal part of the process. So you might only get 10 seconds of concentration on the breath before a thought takes you in one direction. And then just try to realize that that's happening and bring yourself back and try to let go of these thoughts. So the thoughts will go through your mind, let go of them constantly, and try to be as much as you can in the present moment. Now, I want you to start with only 5 minutes. So quiet place, do the steps I just outlined there. It's quite simple. Get your phone before you begin and set a timer with a really nice, pleasant sounding alarm, and put it on low volume so it doesn't kind of startle you out of your meditation. Go on your phone, set the timer to 5 minutes, and I want you to do this every single day. Find a time where you can meditate at the same time every day, a little slot in your day that you know is going to be available. I want you to meditate every day, even on the weekends, even on birthdays, even on the days that you have a wedding to attend, any day of the week, every single day, I want you to meditate. It's all about building a consistent habit. It's better meditating every single day for 10 minutes than once in a week for 70 minutes, for example. So you really want to build this into a habit, and it's really going to be the way that you're going to see the benefits of meditation is through building this habit. So you might not see anything in the first couple of days, but stay with it. I'm sure after a couple of weeks, you'll see a little bit of a change, but the real true change comes after months and years of practicing meditation. You really start to become in tune with your emotions. You start to become a more balanced individual who can really, you've really got more tools to take on the challenges of today's crazy world. So they're pretty much the simple steps for a simple, focused meditation. There are different types of meditation. There's mantra meditation, where you repeat a word or a sound over and over again, or it could even be a phrase. You do that for a certain amount of time. You could be focusing, like we're doing, on the breath. You could be focusing on a certain aspect of your life. There's yoga meditation. There's all different types of meditation. There's mindfulness meditation, but this is a very basic way to start. Start with 5 minutes, see how you go for a week, and then pump it up as you feel feels right. Try to get to about 20 minutes. That's where you want to be, about 20 minutes, or you can do like a couple of sessions a day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon is really nice. Another bonus tip, after yoga, meditating is absolutely the best thing ever. You feel your body in ways that you never have before. So give that a try if you get a chance. Do a little bit of yoga, meditate afterwards. They call it Shavasana. After yoga, you sit there and you meditate for a while. But it's a really good way to get into a deep meditation practice. Anyways, they're my tips. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Please support the channel. Please hit that subscribe button. I've got a guided meditation as a gift for you for staying to the end of this episode. I met with a Buddhist monk and we sat in his lovely garden and we talked about life. If you want to see that full episode, there'll be a link in the description below, but there's a link right here of a quick 5-minute guided meditation with this Buddhist monk in this beautiful setting. So check that out if you think you need a bit more assistance. I've also got a podcast called The Good People Effect, which is all about surrounding you with the right people to help you grow in 3 main areas, which are creativity, adventure, and purposeful living. If that's something that you might be into, go onto iTunes, Spotify. There's also a link in the description below of the Good People Effect podcast. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you got something out of it, and I really hope this gives you a kickstart into your meditation journey. I'll catch you in the next episode. Thank you.